Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to episode of Pattay's Performance. We are in Mandingo. There is nothing behind us. Okay? This is why I dislike selling to people that I know and know what I do. Because when issues arise, especially when they're not my fault, it creates very, very uncomfortable conversation, bad jujus, and vibes. Don't mind me, we're just going behind the bulldozer. But Mandingo's, it's a little boost weather, you know, so Mandingo's happy. So yesterday I get a phone call and a message from somebody that I sold a lawn tractor to months ago. Keyword, months. I don't know off the top of my head. I would have to check my records. But it is months, plural months. Okay? Gentleman calls up and says, hey, I went to go use the lawn tractor and it's not starting. I said, okay, park and brake on, what's that? Like, I showed you how to operate your tractor. You've been using it for months. What do you mean you don't know your park and brake? In my mind, I didn't say that. So I says, okay, the tractor that I sold you came with a trickle charger, like a smart charger maintainer. Plug it in, let the battery charge, or see what it says, because if the battery is bad, that charger will tell you. And let me know what it says. Hooks up the charger, calls you back, the charger's not doing anything. What do you mean the charger's not doing anything? I've seen these a few times. So tell me, what does the charger say? Oh, I plug it in, a light goes on. Okay, hit the button. You know, I'm coaching him on what to do. Nothing. I says, okay, it's like, listen, it's Sunday. I'm about to go out to dinner with my wife. I can't help you. I gotta go. So now this person kind of gets like an attitude with me and says, you know, I thought buying from you is I would get a machine that I could trust. So what? I says, you've been using this thing for months, trouble free. You told me that you love it a few times after, right? I says, I even have videos of your dad using it. And I said, number two, I said that battery in there is brand new. That is something I do not control. Number three, since that battery is brand new, the receipt to that battery is in the folder because it came with the owner's manual. Take the battery out, bring it to Walmart. Oh, I don't know how to do that. You're joking, right? 2 goddamn bolts. Can't even go on YouTube to do this. So I says, all right, listen, I gotta go. If you want, you can try this. You might ruin your charging system, but use your car to jumpstart the tractor. Red to red, black to black, positive to positive, negative to negative. So I get a phone call this morning saying, hey, you know, jumpstarting it worked. I don't know what to do. You know, when can you come look at it? I says, I'm not doing anything. I says, I told you what to do. Do you need pen and paper? Write this down. You want me to send you a message exactly what to do? So then he says, well, I thought you could. And I says, all right, here we go again. This is what happens when you think, don't think, in my mind. He says, you know what? I'll run over there and take care of it. I get there. The battery on the charger shows fully charged. Parking brake is on. Turn the key. Nothing. So I'm like, okay. I have my battery tester with me. Bring my battery tester. Of course, when you need it. Of course, when you need it, doesn't work. He says, all right, listen, I'm gonna run home, and my testing was, I'm gonna hook it up to another tractor and see if it starts. I hook up the battery to another tractor doesn't start. Boom, that's the issue. So I says, hey man, listen, the battery's no good. Where's the receipt? You see where this is going? I'll warranty it out for you. Oh, I don't have that. You're joking, right? Now, luckily, and it's none of his business, it's no one's business, I keep receipts. So, that battery I purchased that battery, what are we, September? What's 5, the month 5. January, February, March, April, May. May is when I purchased that battery. May is when I sold them that tractor. So I'm going to try and warranty this battery out of Walmart. And then now I have to go back to the house and take care of it for them. Now, if I sold this battery to a complete stranger, I wouldn't have to deal with any of this nonsense. Zero. Alrighty, so mission success. I know my hand's in the way. Right up here, I have a ton of extra oil I've been saving, and as you know, if you didn't know, Walmart takes your old oil. So I'm gonna drop this off real quick. And also another thing, Walmart will also warranty out your battery with no receipt using the date code on the battery. Now, the only issue is with that is if you gave your battery as a core with no receipt, they can't prove that you gave the old battery. So they're going to charge you for the core charge. So that's not terrible, because it's better than paying full price for a battery. Let me get the rest of this oil. Let me get back to the tractor, and I'll see you guys when I'm there. All right, so we're here. Look at this tractor. Look how filthy this is. Didn't listen to one word I had to say. Let's pop the hood. Let's see what this thing looks like. Nasty. So I got my Suffolk County speed wrench and a couple of wrenches. I'm going to get this battery on and fire it up. Alrighty, new battery is in. Now the dead giveaway is, this is why it's important for this voltmeter. Turn the key. Look at that. That wasn't even illuminating. Choke up, fire in the hole. Now here's the plot twist. I don't want to get into too personal details, but the person who owns this property, which is the person that I know, unfortunately, they disclosed that it's a little too much for them. And I actually tried to work out a deal where we could offset our property with theirs, and the missus shut it down. I'm not going to show you the house because the house is not important and it's private. The house is not as nice as ours, but that is something we can change. But this is something that we can change at ours. Look at this. 1, 2 car garage, right? And this wraps all the way around. Look how deep that is. Look, another entrance for the garage. So that's 3. And look at this. More, we could do like body work or whatever. More storage. Okay, my plan was to do automotive in here and do body work, you know, fix the truck and metal work out here. And then look where we would do small engine work. Right there, look at that. That is another building. And look, a full-size garage. A full-size garage. This property is severely neglected, but that's fine. A little bit of hard work, you know, we're not afraid of hard work. We can make this property very, very, very manageable. We never seen inside the house. I didn't care, but you know, we did find the real estate listing from when they bought it, and the missus just wasn't having it. Damn. I know. So I'm gonna be walking. I don't want to show their cars, but like, look, you can see the arborvitae's one way and the other bushes on the other. What a beautiful scene. So the Husqvarna is done. I have it in its hiney hole. Yes, we did. That's something I did when I was home. Me and a buddy of mine reconfigured our gate so we could fit tractors in my backyard. But the biggest deck we could fit is a 42. Anything after that, the deck really has to come off. So this is a very, very cold start because I took the battery out of this. So this is why it's important. Volt gauge, fire in the hole. Oh no. Parking brake, fire in the hole. Yeah, baby. Tricky. Disengage. Moving. Oh, this is tight. All right, guys, so we're done for the day. Gotta go to sleep. I'm exhausted. Tell me what you think. I mean, I know in my heart I did the right thing, but technically I think I created I created a monster that I don't know how I'm going to contain. This person is very, very well of what I do, and it's sold as is with no guarantees or warranties applied. For them to act in this manner is completely unnecessary. So obviously I'm going to document this entire situation, so I'm going to protect myself in case they do decide to start saying and go after me the next issue that arises. So I did not charge them a dime for me to run over there, look at the machine, test the battery, verify it's no good, warranty it out, and bring it back. Now, did I have to go to Walmart today? Yes, but that is none of their business. It's the thought that counts. Courtesy. I will never use the word free. Hungry too. Thanks for hanging out with me for today's short little brief vlog. Drop your thoughts and comments down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later. Alrighty, new batteries in. The parking brake is engaged. See, it's labeled right here. Once you clean everything, you press that lever down, and at the same time, hold this up and let go. Now look. Lights up, so you know you got boost.
life.